Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to lean the family. Credit cards and the scammers.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make your computer faster. So let's get started. First of all, press Windows key plus R and type msconfig. Now go to boot option. And now click on advanced option. Now click on the number of processors. And now scroll down and select highest number. In my case it's 2. And now click on maximum memory. And after that click OK. And now click on apply button to save these settings. Here click on restart button. Thanks for watching.